Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia, and today we're going to learn how to use the tire mobility kit on this 2020 Kia Forte EX. Your tire mobility kit is located in the trunk in the understorage space. There is a 12-volt compressor pump and the canister with the tire adhesive in it. You now need to remove the braided line from the compressor and the 12-volt power cable. The canister needs to be attached to the compressor, and push it on and you'll hear a real nice click once it's lined up properly. And you attach the braided line to the canister, and now it needs to be screwed on to the valve stem of the tire that is low. Now that we're assembled, place your 12-volt plug into the power outlet and turn your key in the ignition 2 clicks forward. We're now going to turn the compressor on and pump up the tire from 30 to 40 psi. You now need to drive the vehicle 20 to 80 kilometers an hour for no further than 10 kilometers to push the adhesive through the tire. You now need to remove the braided line, remove the canister, reattach the braided line, and pump the tire back up to manufacturer's specification. Thanks for watching how to use the tire mobility kit on this 2020 Kia Forte. My name is Andrew, and that's Cardinal's Way.